Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to bind your installer. Bind installer. Please open the Solis Cloud application. Click to enter the overview page of your power station. Next, click Info, where you can view the detailed information of your power station. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner to modify the information of the power station. Next, click Organization Code. Please enter the organization code or email provided to you by your installer. Please note, installers will have access to your system if you add them. They can pull, see, and control your plant. If you wish for them not to see your data, please do not add them. Click to select your installer. At this point, your installer's code will appear in your power station information. Click Confirm Modification, and the changes will be saved. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.